Thank you, Eric. MW Horticulture Compacting Company says it feels vindicated after two recent court rulings in an ongoing battle between them, Lee County and the State Department of Environmental Protection. That fight is over Hurricane Irma debris. Fox 4's Rochelle Aline spoke with one of the company's owners about the rulings and why their fight isn't quite over yet.
We're very pleased that that now we have two independent judges basically rule in our favor.
MW Horticulture is celebrating a win in its lengthy battle with Lee County and the State Department of Environmental Protection. The fight for this composting company dates back to Hurricane Irma, when they were contracted out by the county to take in debris.
Before Hurricane Irma came, we never had a violation with anybody for anything, ever.
But the owner said once they took that debris in, they were stopped from grinding up the material.
We could have simply just ground the material and it would have been gone.
The company also got in trouble for the fires that broke out after the piles of debris sat in the heat for too long. But the owner says every time they tried to move that material, they were also accused of violating DEP rules by driving over the debris or near it.
Well, wait a second. I'm near a hill because I'm loading a truck, I'm loading a machine so I can get the material off site.
As a result, the state DEP filed two cases against the company. One was an injunction to stop them from taking in new material. The other was to reject their application for a new permit with the department. In the end, both judges agreed that the company did the county and area an enormous favor by taking on that debris. They also both found that the company wasn't really given a fair shot to properly get rid of it. But in the end, while the injunction was shot down, another judge recommended that MW's DEP permit application be denied.
We believe that we're free to reapply, and it should be a simple reapplication. Or we have the opportunity to appeal.
The owners also add that they will use the court findings from this case to help defend themselves against the county, who they say is accusing them of still having Hurricane Irma debris on their sites.
How are they now going to get an injunction against our company to stop taking in debris when the judge in another case has already ruled that all of the debris has been completely gone?
I reached out to the state DEP for comment, but I have not heard back. I also reached out to the county for comment, and they told me it'd be inappropriate for them to comment on these cases, but they also emphasized the fact that they did pay MW Horticulture for their services shortly after Hurricane Irma. You can read their full statement online at fox4now.com. In Lee County, Rochelle Aline, Fox 4, in your corner.